A recap of whatever I discussed. We have discussed what is the definition of a factor. We have discussed what is the definition of a multiple. We have discussed how to find out the number of factors. Then we discussed how to find out the number of even factors. We discussed how to find out the number of odd factors. We discussed how to find out the factors which are multiples of k, factors which are not multiples of k, how to find out the factors which are perfect squares, how to find out the factors which are perfect cubes. Negation also we discussed, not a perfect square and not a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. Then we also discussed few important concepts related to a perfect square. Perfect square has odd number of factors. Any perfect square has odd number of factors. Then we have discussed a miscellaneous question. How many factors of 360 are not factors of 540? This is what we covered in session number 1. Now let me tell you the agenda for session number 2. Please write down the agenda for session number 2. Session number 2. I will take it as key points. Key point 1. Key point 1. First I will discuss sum of the factors. All the models related to sum of the factors. Key point number 2. I will also complete product of factors. Product of factors. Then key point number 3. This also we will complete it. Key point number 3. We will complete questions based on integral solutions. Integral solutions. Extremely important concept. Key point 3. Integral solutions. Key point 4. Key point 4. Factors. Factors. Intermediate level questions. Factors. Intermediate level questions. 4 types we will discuss. Close to 10 concepts we will. 10 plus concepts we are going to discuss in the next 2 hours. 10 plus concepts we are going to discuss in the next 2 hours. Now it is 9:40 in my mobile. The class will go on up to 11:40 midnight. 9:40 to 11:40. Are you all ready? Kindly reply it in the live chat with an yes so that I will start the class. Are you all ready? I hope you are all sitting in front of your laptop or on the mobile watching the class with a notebook and a pen. Kindly reply yes, 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 yes so that I will go with key point 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 key points which we are going to discuss. 25 to 40 problems in the next 2 hours. 25 to 40 problems in the next 2 hours. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Right. In case if you are enjoying these thematic based learning, kindly do me this favor. Click on the share button and share it to any of your friends, classmates, juniors, any of your study friends, any of your school friends. Let everybody get benefited from these free sessions. Now, session 2. Key point 1. Please write down. Key point 1. Key point 1. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Sum of the factors. Concept 1. Suppose if I take a number 12. Suppose if I take a number 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 12 is a factor of 12. 12 if I write it as a power of prime bases. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Concept 1 says find out the factors, add it and tell the answer. So sum of the factors, if I find it and if I add it, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. This is the sum of the factors. But it involves finding these values and doing. Don't do anything. Start from the lowest power of 2. Add it till the highest power. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Multiply it with, start with the lowest power of 30 and go up to the power that is there. 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 1 plus 3. Let me see what will happen if I multiply these numbers. If I multiply 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Can I say this is nothing but the factors sum? Can I say this is nothing but the factors sum? That means if I wanted to find the sum of the factors of that number, take the number, write the number as a power of prime basis. Start from the lowest power, keep adding till the power that is given. Go to the next prime number, start with the lowest prime power and go to the required power. Multiply it. If I multiply it, what I got? 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 12. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 12. This is nothing but the factors of 12. I hope you have understood the definition of sum of factors. When we do 3 to 4 problems, it will be extremely crystal clear to you in terms of understanding. I hope it is clear now. Concept 1. Just with a smaller example, we understood the concept. Now we will take various examples. First one. N equivalent to 144. N equivalent to 144. Find the sum of the factors. Find the sum of the factors for 144. Find the sum of the factors for 144. What is step number 1? Step number 1. Write 144 as a power of prime basis. 272s are, 236 are, 218s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. So 144 is nothing but 2 is written 1 2 3 4, 2 power 4 into 3 square. What is the sum of the factors for this number? Sum of the factors is nothing but write down from the lowest power of 2. 2 power 0 2, 2 power 4, 2 square 2 cube 2 power 4. Then write down from the lowest power of 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 3 power 2. Right? In case if you know GP series, A plus AR plus AR square and so on is given by A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. R is greater than 1. This is the sum of the GP series. Or if you are not comfortable with the GP series, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 into 1 plus 3 plus 9. Whatever the answer is there, that is the answer. Please find it out. In case if you don't want to do the answer, use the digital sum approach. 8 plus 1 is 9 over. These 9 over. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 22 digital sum is 4. 22 digital sum is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. Answer digital sum should be 7. I hope first example is clear to you. In case if you remember this formula and you love substituting the formula, you can do it. You can do it. Example 1. There is a number that is given. He is asking, find the factors for that number. Then he is asking, find the sum of the factors. What is step number 1? Write the number as a power of prime basis. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. Sum of the factors. From 0 to 4 you have to write. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Add everything. In case if you find it difficulty to calculate it, digital sum is nothing but the sum of the digits till you get a single digit number. 8 plus 1, 9 cancel. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 digital sum is 4. 9 cancelled. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. First example, I hope it is clear to you. Second example. The more and more problems you solve with me in the class, the more and more confidence you will get in the class. Second one. N equivalent to 360. 360, write it as a power of prime basis. 2 180s are 2 90s are 3 45s are 3 30s are 3 10s are 2 5s are. So 360 is nothing but 2 is written 3 times, 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Now see here, sum of the factors from n. From now onwards, I will represent it as Sn. This is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square plus 2 cube into 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2 into 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Don't show your mathematical knowledge and find the answer. Right? Use digital sum concept. Digital sum concept. This is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. This is nothing but 1 plus 3 plus 9. This is nothing but 1 plus 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 digital sum is 6. 9 is out. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 6 are 36. 9 into any number. Digital sum is 9. Digital sum is 9. If more than one answer option has the same digital sum 9, please try to do the calculation. Digital sum is an acid test to eliminate incorrect answer options. If digital sum is not 9, then the answer is incorrect. If the digital sum is 9, do the generic calculation and try to do it. Sum of the factors. I hope it is clear. Now write down a note. Concept 2. Concept 2. First concept, I hope it is clear. Now in this one, we can also do sum of the concept 2. Concept by concept, problem by problem, class by class, week by week, month by month. I will enable you to reach your target in my area of expertise. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of reciprocal of the factors. Again an example, we will understand the concept. 12. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Previous case, we did the factors of 12. Now we will do the reciprocal of the factors. First we will do the reciprocal, then we will do the sum. What is the reciprocal of the factors? 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. 12 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is nothing but the sum of the factors for that number. 12 is nothing but the number itself. Extremely important point. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n. For n, it is given by Sn by n. Please make a note of it. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n is given by Sn by n. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is nothing but sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number itself. Sn is nothing but sum of the factors. Sn is nothing but sum of the factors. Please make a note of it. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is sum of the factors by the number itself. One example and another very beautiful concept based on sum of the reciprocal of the factors. I hope it is clear. Example. Example. First we will write the concept at the top of the slide. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n. It is nothing but Sn by n. It is nothing but Sn by n. First question. Find the sum of reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors for n equivalent to 100. For n equivalent to 100. Find the sum of the reciprocal of the factors. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. Sum of the factors is nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 into 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2 divided by the number itself. Divided by the number itself. This itself is the answer. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2. Right? Now it is 1 plus 2 plus 4 which is 7. Which is 7. 7 into 25, 30, 31. 31 divided by 100. 217 divided by 100. This is the answer. Answer is 21.7. Answer is 21.7. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors is given by sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. Sum of the factors by the number itself. I hope this idea is clear. But in sum of the reciprocal of the factors, there is a very important concept. Please write down a note. Please write down a note. I hope this concept is clear. Next, write down a note. Note is, if sum of the reciprocal of the factors Sn by n, if the value comes out to be 2, if the value comes out to be 2, then the number is called a perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Then the number is called the perfect number. Now, any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully to this form. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors if the sum of the reciprocal of the factors, if the value is 2, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Any perfect number is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Now see here, 2 power p minus 1, whatever that is written here, this is a prime number. This is a prime number. This should be a prime number. For it to be a prime number, p should be a prime number. P should be a prime number. Listen carefully to this point. If 2 power p minus 1 is prime, if 2 power p minus 1 is prime, then p is prime. For 2 power p minus 1 to be prime, p should be prime. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Reverse may or may not be true. Please write down this point. If 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, if this is true, this should be true. Yesterday we discussed, if this is a prime number, it should be of the form 6k plus or minus 1. But if a number is of the form 6k plus or minus 1, the number may or may not be true. If then condition, reverse may or may not be true. What is reverse? If p is prime, 2 power p minus 1 may or may not be things. Example, if p is 11, 2 power 11 minus 1, which is 2047. 2047 is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. Is not a prime number. I hope it is clear. 2 power 11, 2047. If you check it out in Wolfram Alpha, you will come to know that 2047 is not a prime number. Any perfect number, it is of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. If p is a prime number, 2 power p minus 1 will be a prime number. If this is a prime number, this should be a prime number. This should be a prime number. This should be a prime number. We will take an example to understand it. Another important point, please write down. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number, please write down this point. Any perfect number will be of this form. N is a perfect number. The only condition is 2 power p minus 1. This should be a prime number. The one in the bracket, 2 power p minus 1, it should be a prime number. Take an example. If p is 2, this will become n equivalent to 2 power 1 into 2 square minus 1. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. If n is, p is 3, this will become 2 square into 2 cube minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 4s are 28. 28. It is ending with 8. Remember always, a perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. A perfect number always ends with 6 or 8. Now, question. A beautiful question, sir. Sn by n equivalent to 2. N lies from 450 to 500. 450 to 500. Find the value of n. Seems to be a very difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. 2. Some perfect number is a number whose sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2. Right? Mahesh, for you. What is a perfect number? perfect number and perfect square are different to each other. What did I say? Sn by n is 2. Sn is nothing but 2 into n. That means, for example, if I take 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. If I add all the factors of 6, sum of the factors is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 12. 12 is nothing but 2 times 6. 12 is nothing but 2 times 6. If the sum of the factors is 2 times the number, if the sum of the factors is 2 times the number, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Or in other words, if I delete that original number, sum of the factors excluding the original number should be equivalent to the number itself. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2, then the number is a perfect number. If the sum of the factors is twice the original number, then the number is a perfect number. If sum of the factors excluding the original number, excluding the original number, it is equivalent to the original number, right? It will be there. Anup, definitely it will be even, right? Where is the question of it becoming odd? Rambabu, it cannot become an odd number. Why? Because what is the form of the number? 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Any number multiplied by 2, this will become an even number. This will become an even number. This will become an even number. Even number, right? So p value 2 not possible, p value 3 not possible. This should be a prime number. The entire catch is because 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, that will result in p value a prime number, p value a prime number, right? So this is nothing but Praveen garu chestadu p equivalent to 5. If I take 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 minus 1 31, 31 into 16 is 496. 496. Answer for this question is 496. Rakesh, concentrate on the class. At the end we can discuss. Bitcoin lover, please unnecessarily don't waste your time asking something in the middle of a concept. At the end of the class, if you are interested, you can ask, right? If you don't like the class, you should not purchase it, because I have a style of teaching, and my style of teaching is thematic based learning, non-formula based, or even if I tell the formula, I will tell the logic behind that formula. Please remember, Sn by n is 2. The entire logic is in determining that the number is a perfect number. Perfect number. A perfect number. Till now there are few perfect numbers which are exist. All the perfect numbers lies between 6 or 8. All the perfect numbers lies between 6 or 8. Any perfect square will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. These 2 power p, Rambabu, 2 power p minus 1 should be a prime number. Please acknowledge in the live chat yes if this concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you, right? Anup Singh, yes, you are right. Like that, please Google it. There are 23 different type of prime numbers which you will find it in Google, right? Next, Balaji, how it is 5? Good question. P cannot be 2. If P is 2, the number will become 6. If P is 3, the number will become 28. If P is 5, the number lies between 450 to 500, which is 496. Key point 1, sum of factors. Key point 2, sum of reciprocal of factors. Key point 3. Key point 3, P is a prime number. Keep substituting prime numbers. Check which prime number value lies in between these range. P2 cannot be substituted. P3 cannot be substituted. The prime number which will satisfy is P value 5. Key point 2 also over. Key point 3. Key point 3. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. SK concept. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. First concept with an example. Then we will take a practice question. Concept with an example. Suppose 12 is there. 12 is there, right? 12 is there. Factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? Suppose if the range is bigger, Sai Kiran, if the range is bigger, keep substituting prime values. Check where the range lies, which involves a lot of calculation time. P7, P11, P13, like that substitute. There is no other way. Like we got an Armstrong numbers, we got an Fibonacci numbers, we got these perfect numbers. They behave in a particular pattern. Fibonacci numbers behave in a particular pattern. Armstrong numbers behave in a particular pattern. This behaves in a particular pattern. Right? Now see here. 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Now what I will do is, sum of the factors which are first question, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Which all factors are there? 2, 4, 6 and 12. So generically the value is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. But if you are to write it mathematically, sum of the factors is 2 power 0, 2 power 2 power 2 into 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 3 power 1. It is multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means it should start from 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It should start from 2. Erase this value. It is starting from 2. There is no restriction on 3. So this can be written as 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So if it is multiples of 12, start from the lowest power of prime bases, which will result in 12. I will do 2 more examples, it will be clear. Multiples of 2. Any multiple of 2 is nothing but 2k. Minimum power of 2 should be 1. So 2 power 0 is eliminated. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. Few more examples. Few examples. This is a very smaller number. Few examples. N equivalent to 360. 360 is nothing but 72 into 5. 72 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. First question. S12. What is S12? S12 is sum of the factors which are multiples of 12, sum of the factors which are multiples of 12, sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Listen carefully to the way I am solving. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Minimum power of 2 to get 12 is 2 square. So instead of doing from 2 power 0, start from 2 square. 2 square plus 2 cube. Minimum power of 3 should to get 12 is 3 power 1. Don't start from 3 power 0. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. There is no restriction on 5. So it will be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Now if you observe, you multiply any values present in the bracket, every value will be divisible by 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24, 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Because to get 12, the minimum power of 2 should be 2, minimum power of 3 should be 1. So it should start with, it will start with 2 square and it will start with 3 power 1. One more example which we will solve. The more and more examples, you solve, the more and more clarity you will get it. Second question. Sum of the factors which is a multiple of 30. Sum of the factors which is a multiple of 30. 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. So minimum power of 2 should be, it should start from 2 power 1. 2 power 1 plus remaining all the power still 3. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3. Minimum power of 3 is 3 power 1, 3 power 2. There is restriction on 5 also, so 5 power 1. This is the answer for sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept 3 is clear to you. Concept 3, if it is clear to you, kindly reply. Kindly reply if this concept is clear to you. Everybody, don't worry about the answer. Amit, I think you are new to my YouTube channel. I will never ask students answer. No tamasha in our classes. No entertainment in our classes. No non-academic discussion. No cinemas or shairis. Complete straight onto the subject. No need to say any answer. आप लोग class में only thing which is required is come on time and watch the session. That's all. Sum of the, right? Naveen, why it should be 3 power 0? 30 is starting from 3 power 1. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. Rest is 5 power 1. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12 over sum of the factors which are multiples of 30 over. Everybody says clear. So next concept. Key point 3. Now we will do some heavy examples so that you will get habituated to it. N is 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 5 power 3. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 90. 90 is nothing but 2 into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 power 1 is the minimum. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 6. 3 power 2 is minimum. 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4. 5 power 1 is minimum. 5 power 1, 5 power 3. I hope the idea is clear. Next one, sum of the factors which are multiples of 50. 50 is 2 into 5 square. So it is minimum power of 2 is 1. 2 power 1 to 2 power 6. Minimum power of 5 is 2. 5 power 2 plus 5 power 3. Minimum power of 3, there is no restriction. 3 power 0 to 3 power 4. 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 I hope it is clear. Next one. Next one. It is clear, right? Next. What are the concepts we did? Sum of the factors we did. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors we did. Sum of the factors which are multiples of K we did it. Key point 4. Key point 4. Key point 4. Key point 4. Ashok, focus on my explanation, right? This is the best way I can explain it, right? Please focus on more and more examples. When everybody says clear and you say confused, I go with majority. SK bar. Another concept, sum of the factors which are not multiples of K. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of K. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of K. Very easy to understand. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of K. Concept. Suppose 12 is there. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12. 1 is a factor of 12. 2 is a factor of 3, 4, 6 and 12. He is asking a question. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of 3. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of 3. Can I say this is nothing but sum of the factors minus sum of the factors which are multiples of 3. Sum of the factors for n is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 3, which is 3 plus 6 plus 12. What is remaining? 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. Am I right? Sum of the factors which are not multiples. Sum of the factors which are not multiples is nothing but sum of the factors minus sum of the factors which are multiples of K. Please make a note. It is nothing but a negation. It is nothing but a negation. SK bar is nothing but Sn minus Sk. Sn minus Sk. Very sad thing about my class is, after the class is over, this class will be made private and all the enrolled students, tomorrow you will get a video which will explain how you can watch the YouTube live class videos. Right? Only for the enrolled students, these entire topic wise videos will be given to you. Non-enrolled students, you can, at the end of the class, I will tell you, in case if you are interested like others, you can purchase it. One topic, all the problems related to that topic. Sk bar is Sn minus Sk. Sn minus Sk. Example. Please write down, sir. Not means total minus multiples of K. Not means total minus multiples of k. Question, find the sum of the factors. Find the sum of the factors, right, for 120 which are not multiples of 30. Find the sum of factors for 120 which are not multiples of 30. Step number 1. Sir, my request to the viewers, please do not write anything even related to a course inquiry. Also, when I am teaching subject, I am not interested in anything. If the content students are liking it, if they value the content, at the end, last 1 or 2 minutes only I will discuss. My entire focus is on the subject. I request every viewer, please do not ask me course inquiry. I am not desperate to earn money by just taking your things. If you enjoy the content, you will purchase it. If you find value in my content, you will purchase it. As simple as that. I am more interested in giving value to the students more than the price for the product. I commit less and I execute more. And the students who purchased after the first session knows it very well. Right? Close to 15 students have purchased in 10 minutes time. Find the sum of the factors for 120 which are not multiples of 30. Suman, Anup Singh, please watch the entire class. Climax only I will tell it. Please don't waste my time. Don't waste your time also. If you are restless, if you don't want to listen to the class, it's perfectly okay with me. At the end only I will discuss. Find the sum of the factors for 120 which are not multiples of 30. S30 bar is nothing but Sn minus S30. 120 is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Sn is 2 power 0 till 2 power 3. 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. S30 is 2 into 30k is 2, 3 and 5 into k. Power of 2 in 30 is 2 power 1. 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. 3 power 1 and it is 5 power 1. Sn minus S30. Sn minus S30. I hope the concept is clear. Sir, wait for 10 minutes. You are going to see how the toughest problems, integral solutions, I am going to solve it in seconds. What a CAT teacher teaches you, which takes 2 minutes to solve, you will solve it in 10 seconds. That I will discuss after product of the factors. Nobody should leave the class in the middle. Some magical concepts I am going to discuss tonight. Of course, in every class, students who are watching my class from the last few days, they will vouch for the content. Sum of factors over, reciprocal of the factors over, multiples of k over, not multiples of k over. Key point number 5. Key point number 5. Please write down key point number 5. Key point 4 over. Key point 5. Key point 5. Product of the factors. Product of the factors. Product of the factors. Product of the factors. First concept with an example, then basic, intermediate concept. Suppose if I take the same number 12, what are the factors of 12? 1 is a factor of 12, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are all the factors of 12. Now he is asking product. What do you mean by product? Product is multiplication. Product is multiplication. Product is multiplication. If I multiply it 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. These is nothing but product of the factors for this number. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into Rambabi pennu jodu. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is also 12. So Pn is nothing but 12 power 3. There is a battery issue, but the class will go on. I hope you are able to hear my audio. I hope you are able to hear my audio. Kindly reply. No issues? Right. There is a slight battery issue, so I will continue without my face. I will continue without my face. So let's use Khan Academy's mode of teaching. Now I will again repeat it. I will again repeat it. Suppose we are discussing product of factors. Product of factors. We are discussing this concept, product of factors. I took a number 12. The factors of 12 are, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So if I am doing product of the factors, which is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So this is nothing but 12 power 3. Am I right? First and last, first plus last has given me 12. Second plus second last has given me 12. Third plus third last has given me 12. Or can I say that out of 6 factors, first 3 on multiplication with the last 3 has given me the entire number. Now, very important point. Product of factors is given by number power, number of factors divided by 2. Rambabu? Number power, number of factors divided by 2. Number power, number of factors divided by 2. N is the number. రేపు దీని బ్యాటరీలో ఒక 10 మనం కొందాము, మర్చిపోకు. రైట్? F is nothing but the number of factors. F is nothing but the number of factors. Product of factors is given by the logic. Number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. A smart student might ask a question, sir, you said that a perfect square has odd number of factors. Will I not get a decimal value? Even if you get a decimal value, it makes no difference. I will take that example. Product of factors is given by the logic. Number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Example. Suppose if I take 36. If I take 36, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Product of the factors is given by number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Number is given by 36. 36 factors are 2 18s are 2 9s are 3 3s are. So 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Number of factors is 9. 9 by 2. How it is 9? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 36 power 9 by 2. Now if you see, what is this 36 power 9 by 2? 1 into 36 is 36. 2 into 18 is 36. 3 into 12 is 36. 4 into 9 is 36. I got 36 answer 4 times. Then I got another 6. Am I right? The 6 can be written as 36 power 1 by 2. 36 power 1 by 2. 36 power 4 into 36 power 1 by 2. Answer is 36 power 9 by 2. I hope it is clear. Even if a number is a perfect square or if the number is a non-perfect square, the logic does not change. The logic does not change. Logic remains the same. What is the logic? Find the for the product of the factors. Answer is nothing but number power number of factors by 2. F is nothing but the number of factors. F is nothing but the number of factors. N is nothing but the number itself. N is nothing but the number itself. Now we have understood the concept with a few examples. Let us do some practice problems. Please write down practice problems. Please write down practice problems. First one. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors for first question n equivalent to 144. Second one n is 360. Third one n is 120. N is 120. Find the product of the factors for n 144, n 360 and n 120. First one solution. 144 is nothing but 16 into 9. 16 is 2 power 4. 9 is 3 square. So product of the factors is number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Rambabu pennu vadatledu. Number power number of factors by 2. 144 power number of factors is 0 to 4 5, 0 to 2 3, 5 into 3 by 2. 144 power 15 by 2. Alright? First one clear. Second and third try to solve. నాకు తెలిసి డెత్ స్టేట్కి వచ్చినట్టున్నది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా. నంబర్ పవర్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ బై 2. Second example 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Number power number of factors by 2. 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. Answer is 360 power 12. Next is 120. 120 is 8 into 15. 8 into 15. Answer is number power number of factors by 2. 120 power 3 will become 4. It is 2 into 2 divided by 2. 120 power 8. Please do not leave. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to discuss a very beautiful concept. 120 is 2 cube into 3 into 5. I hope this concept is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. Kindly reply. Do not Do not hesitate to reply in the live chat. That's my way of knowing. If I am taking a physical class, I can look at the facial expressions of the students. I can understand through their body language. Here the only way is you have to make me understand by acknowledging if it is clear to you. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Product of factors. Product of factors. Product of factors. Do not leave in between. If you are getting any WhatsApp messages or calls, or if somebody is trying to draw your attention through any of the gadgets, please hold on. Learn to say no. The world respects that people who can say no to get the things done. Learn the difference between easy things and right things. Right? I hope it is clear. Next one. Key point 6. Key point 6. Two more concepts are there. Key point 6. Key point 6. Product of the factors. Product of the factors which are multiples of k. Key point 6. Product of the factors which are multiples of k. Product of the factors which are not multiples of k also we will discuss. Next one. Product of the factors. Product of the factors which are multiples of k. Product of the factors which are multiples of k. Ashok, don't say one doubt, ask the doubt. Shahil Kumar, I will not make it public. I am a great lover of Joker character in Dark Knight. If you are damn good at something, don't give it for free. I firmly believe that. Product of factors which are multiples of k. Concept. Concept. If it is 12, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Product of the factors is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. This is Pn. If I want only multiples of 2, 2 into 4 into 6 into 12 into 1 into 3. This is product of the factors which are multiples of 2, and this is product of the factors which are not multiples of 2. You can also write it as 1 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 6 into 12. 3 into 6 into 12 is a multiple of 3. Remaining all are not multiple of 3. So, very, very important learning. Pn is Pk into Pk bar. Pn equivalent to Pk into Pk bar. Please write down. Pn into Pk into Pk bar. Multiples of k, not multiples of k. Both we will solve. This is concept 1a. I will do 1b. Concept 1a. I hope concept 1a is clear. Product of the factors is Pk into Pk bar. Concept 1a. Now concept 1b. How to find out the product of factors which are multiples of k. 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 Concept 1a. Concept 1b. Please write down a question. Please write down a question. Question is, it is not the problems, it is the idea behind the problems which is important. Rambabu, Ijud pen. Please write down the question. I am using my thumb and I am writing. Please cooperate. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors for 360. For 360, which are multiples of Find the product of factors for 360 which are multiples of which are multiples of 12. First one, listen carefully, sir. Which are multiples of 12. Find the product of the factors for 360 which are multiples of 12. Find the product of factors for 360 which are multiples of 12. Which are multiples of 12. Now see this concept. Only concepts will be there in our class. Right? Only concepts. Students, if you listen to my one class, you will get addicted to, right, my way of learning things. Find the product of factors for 360 which are multiples of 12. Step number 1. Milan, concentrate on the class beta. Right? Product of factors. So what I will do is, first we have to find out the factors of 360. 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Am I right? Now, there are two sub-questions here. Find the factors for 360 which are multiples of 12. So, factors for 360. Find the factors for Rambavi pennu vadatledu konjam chudu. Product of factors for 360 which are multiples of 12. See here, sir. Sir, I am using thumb, please cooperate. So 360 factors for 12 is nothing but 12k. 12k is nothing but 2 square into 3 p power 1 into 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Right? Now see, how many factors are there which are multiples of 12? Totally 8 factors are there which are multiples of 12. Let me write down that factors as 12a1, 12a2 and so on up to 12a8. 12a8. First step clear? Right? Ashok, this will be the last time I will tell you. Yesterday also I told you. Right? Already you are not understanding. In between you are poking somebody else. Right? 12a1, 12a2 till 12a8. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. First I am taking the factors which are multiples of 12. Any multiple of 12 is 12k. 2 square into 3 power 1. Remaining is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Total 8 factors are there. The question what he is asking is, multiply all these factors. Multiply all these factors. You will get this answer. If I multiply it, 12a1, 12a2 and so on up to 12a8. I need to multiply it. 12 is multiplied 8 times. So 12 power 8. a1, a2 till a8. What is a1, a2 till a8? How I got these 8? 8 is nothing but the factors for this number. Answer is 12 power 8 into number power number of factors by 2. 2 into 3 into 5 power 8 by 2. 8 by 2. 8 by 2. I hope it is clear, right? Now it might not be that clear to you. I will do 2 more examples so that this concept is clear to you. This concept contains 2 concepts. Find the factors which are multiples of 12. Find the product. Find the product. I will do one more problem so that it will be clear to you. One more problem. Find the product of factors Now it will be clear to you, sir. Find the product of factors for 360. Three problems I will do which should be clear to you. Find the product of factors for 360 which are, first question, multiples of 30. Multiples of 30. Right? Find the product of the factors for 360 which are multiples of 30. Three examples I will do. First one, 360 is 72 into 5. This is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. This is the original number. Step number 1, I have to find out the factors which are multiples of 30. Factors which are multiples of 30 is 30k, which is nothing but 30 is 2 into 3 into 5, 30. Remaining is 2 square into 3 power 1. These are all the numbers which are getting multiplied by 30. How many factors are there for this number? 3 2s are totally 6 factors are there for this number. In session number 1, I discussed how to find out the factors which are multiples of k. 6 factors. So it is 3 into 2 is 6 factors. 6 factors I got it. So what are that 6 factors? 30a1, 30a2, 30a6, 30a1, 30a2, 30a6. Now I need to find the product. 30, 30, 30, 30 multiplied 6 times, 30 power 6 into a1, a2 till a6. These are the product of the factors for that number. 30 power 6 into number of factors by 2. Number is 2 square into 3 power 1 power 6 by 2. This is the answer. Power 6 by 2. Right? So 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Right? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Right? 360 is 72 into 5. Second example. First I found out the factors for 360 which are multiples of 30. Right? Now I will take another number. 30, 30, 30, 30 multiplied 6 times. 30 power 6. A1, A2 till A6. Number of factors by 2. Next one. Second question. Find the product of factors. Find product of factors for 120. Find the product of factors for 120 which are multiples of 12. So let us solve the question. Right? Which are multiples of 12. Students who understood, please try to solve. Milan, you will not understand because your concentration is somewhere. Right? Almost Ashok Kumar is on the verge of getting blocked very soon. He is almost one step away in getting blocked from my channel. I hope you will not give me an opportunity. Now, find the product of factors for 120 which are multiples of 12. Which are multiples of 12. Try to solve, sir. That is the reason you should attend from the factors session 1. If you come in between, you will not understand it. Right? There is a class schedule. Tomorrow morning 7 o'clock there is a class, and evening from tomorrow till 15th. Morning 7 a.m. there is a class. Evening 6 p.m. there is a class. Night 9:30 p.m. there is a class. All are interconnected classes. Of course, tomorrow morning is prime numbers. We have discussed various problems. Tomorrow morning is advanced level. Now see, product of factors. Find the product of factors For 120 is 2 cube into 3 into 5. 2 cube into 3 into 5. And this is a multiple of 12. Multiple of 12. Rambabu. Multiple of 12. What are the factors which are multiples of 12? Right? F12 is nothing but 12k. 12k is nothing but 2 square into 3. Remaining is 2 power 1 into 3 5 power 1. 2 into 2 is 4 factors. There are 4 factors which are multiples of 12. 12a1, 12a2, 12a4. Product of the factors is 12, 12, 12, 12. 12 is multiplied 4 times. 12 power 4 into a1, a2, a3, a4. A4. What are these a1, a2, a3, a4? This is the product of the factors for this number. So answer is 12 power 4 into 2 into 5 power 4 by 2, which is 2. This is product of the factors. If it is clear to you, please reply in the live chat if it is clear. If you want me to take one more example with not multiples, that also I will take it. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Most of the students who are listening to my classes, they are not habituated to the discipline the teacher creates when he is taking a YouTube live class. They will watch some random channels where the teacher is okay in entertainment, teacher will get hurt and he will spend a lot of time in talking about other than the subject reasons. No bullshitting, straight on to the subject. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Right? 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 power 2. Right? Clear? Next one. Next one. Next one. Not multiples. That also we will do it. Please write down. Please write down. Right? Next. Please write down. There is no 2 power, right? How it is 4 factors. Please watch session number 1. Please watch session number 1. Don't miss any session. Only on factors I did it. There is no 2 power 1. It is 2 cube. 2 square is taken out. What is there inside? 2 power 1. Write down one more question. Please do not miss any session of mine. If you miss the first session, second will go for a toss. Find the product of factors. Find the product of factors for n equivalent to 420. 420 which are not multiples of 42. Not multiples of 42. Find the product of factors for, right, n equivalent to 420 which are not multiples of 42. Which are not multiples of 42. Which are not multiples of 42. Ram, we have discussed product of factors is number power number of factors by 2. Solution. Solution. Pn is nothing but pk into pk bar. Pk bar is nothing but Pn by pk. Pn by pk. Pk bar is Pn by pk. Not multiples of 42 is nothing but product of the factors by product of the factors which are multiples of 42. So 42 is nothing but 42 into 10. 42 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 5, which is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. This is the number. 4 into 3, 12, 12 5s are 60, 67s are 42. So Pn is nothing but number power, number of factors by 2. 420 power, number of factors is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2. So this is nothing but 420 power 12. We got for Pn. If we get it for P42, then the answer is over. Find the product of factors for 420 which are not multiples of 42. Not multiples of 42. For 42, let us do it for P42. Till here only Pn we found it out. If we do Pk, then we will be able to solve the question. P42. Now see here. How to do for P42? 420 is 42 into 10. It is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. P42 we require, which is nothing but 42k. 42k is nothing but 2 into 3 into 7. It is taken out. Remaining is 2 power 1. Remaining is 5 power 1. How many factors are there for this number? 2 into 2, 4 factors are there. If 4 factors are there, what will be that 4 factors? 42a1, 42a2, 42a3 and 42a4. 42a4. What is the product of the factors which are multiples of 42? 42, 42, 42. 4 times into a1 into a2 into a3 into a4, which is 42 power 4. From where you got these product of factors? For this number, 2 into 5 power 4 by 2. So answer is nothing but Pn by P42. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. You can reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Extremely important topic, next one. Everybody should listen to it carefully. Next one, sir. Pn by P42. I hope the logic is clear. I will repeat what are all the problems that we discussed. We discussed sum of the factors, then we discussed sum of the reciprocal of the factors, then we discussed sum of the factors which are multiples of k, sum of the factors which are not multiples of k. We also discussed what is a perfect number. Then we discussed product of factors. Then we discussed product of factors which are multiples of k, product of factors which are not multiples of k. Sn is sk plus sk bar. Pn is pk into pk bar. Pn equivalent to pk into pk bar. Now we will, very, very important concept. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Next one. Please write down. Key point 8. Very, very important, sir. Key point 8. Key point 8. Anything that you type in the live chat other than the doubt and whether it is cleared or not, I will watch it for the first time. Second time, I will not even hesitate to block you from my channel. I have zero hesitation in that one. Right? Key point number 8. Please put it as very, very, very important concept. Extremely important concept. Very important concept. Key point 8. Key point 8. Now please write down. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. A. Ordered pair. Write it as it is, sir. Ordered pair. What do you mean by ordered pair? A comma B and B comma A both are different. A comma B and B comma A both are different. When to use ordered pair? If variables are present in the question. If variables are present in the question. If variables are present in the question, please make use of ordered pair. If variables are present, if variables are present in the question, make use of ordered pair. Now, odd example. Example. 12 is there. 12 is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Reverse is also allowed. Reverse is also allowed. A into B is different from B into A. A into B is different from B into A. 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Total 6 cases we got. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Number of factors is nothing but 6. 3 2s are 6. How many ways I got? I also got 6 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ways I got? 6 ways. Extremely important point. Number of ways. I think I will do one more example once you make a note of it. Once you make a note of it, then I will do one more example. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. As a product of two factors in ordered pair. In ordered pair. In ordered pair. What is ordered pair? The order in which you write the numerical values matter. If variables are present in the question, I will make use of ordered pair. Reverse is also allowed in ordered pair. Ordered pair. Answer is nothing but number of factors. Number of ways. I will do one more question so that you will not. Let me do one more example here, because in an unordered pair we will differentiate it. We will differentiate it. Now see here, sir. Let me do for 36 also. 36 is 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. 4 into 9, reverse is 9 into 4. These reverse is 12 into 3. These reverse is 18 into 2. These reverse is 36 into 1. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. How many cases we got here? One case, second case, third case, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth case. Again I got 9 here. Again I got 9 here. Very, very important point. number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors in ordered pair. In ordered pair is nothing but total number of factors. Total number of factors. Please write down this. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? As a product of two factors, answer is number of factors. Answer is number of factors. Answer is number of factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors, it is nothing but a number of factors. Examples. Examples. First example. Examples. Two examples, it should be clear to you. X into y equivalent to 120. X and y are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? X into y is 120. Xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? First thing, variables are present in the question. If variables are present in the question, then this is nothing but an ordered pair. In ordered pair, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? It is nothing but number of factors. It is nothing but number of factors. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5. 2 cube into 3 into 5. Number of factors is nothing but 2 cube is 4 ways, 3 power 1 2 ways, these also 2 ways. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? As a product of two factors, if variables are present in the question, then it is nothing but ordered pair. Why? Because this can be 1 into 120. This can also be 120 into 1. 120 into 1. If variables are present in the question, if variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. In ordered pair, number of ways of writing the number as a product of two factors is nothing but number of factors. Is nothing but number of factors. Second question, x into y equivalent to 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 5 cube. Xy are natural numbers. Xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Step number 1. X and y are variables. If variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. In an ordered pair, it is a number of factors. 2 power 6 is 7. 3 power 4 is 5. 5 power 3 is 4. 35 4s are, answer is nothing but 140. 7 5s are 35. 35 4s are 140. 35 4s are 140. I hope the idea is clear. If the variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. In ordered pair, it is number of factors. I hope, Rakesh, it is clear to you. The answer is number of factors. Next, one more concept. Please write down. One more concept. Unordered pair we will see. If time permits, we will take an example. Otherwise, tomorrow we will take an example. Unordered pair. Please write down. Case 1. Number is a non-perfect square. Case 1. Number is a non-perfect square. Case 2. Number is a perfect square. Number is a perfect square. Number is a non-perfect square and number is a perfect square. What do you mean by unordered pair? X comma y is equivalent to y comma x. X comma y is equivalent to y comma x. Y comma x. That means reverse is not possible. Reverse is not possible. Reverse is not possible. Reverse is not possible. When to use unordered pair? If variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, then I will use unordered pair. If variables are not present in the question, then I will use unordered pair. I will do some examples. Let me explain this. Case number 1 and case number 2. Suppose if I take n value 12. 12 can be written as 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Reverse is 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. In an unordered pair, reverse is not possible. All the 3 are eliminated. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Totally how many cases we got? 3 into 2, 6 cases we got. Half of them are eliminated. Half of them are eliminated. So in an unordered pair, if a number is a non-perfect square, what will be the answer? Number of factors by 2. Number of factors by 2. 12 is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Reverse. 12 into 1, 6 into 2, 4 into 3. All 3 are eliminated. Half of them are eliminated. So answer is number of factors by 2. When is this concept used? When it is a non-perfect square. When it is a non-perfect square, this concept is used. Now, if it is a perfect square, if this is a perfect square, 36 is 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6. Reverse cannot be taken. Reverse cannot be taken. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 36 is 2 square into 3 square. Totally 9 cases are there. These 4, reverse is taken out. So this is nothing but number of factors plus 1 by 2. Number of factors plus 1 by 2. If I include root n into root n. If I include root n into root n. Why it is a number of factors plus 1 by 2? 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 2 square into 3 square is total 9 cases I got. 1 into 36, 36 into 1. 2 into 18, 18 into 2. 3 into 12, 12 into 3. 4 into 9, 9 into 4. Reverse 4 all eliminated. Which is root n into root n included. What is root n? Root 36 is 6. Root 36 is 6. Root n into root n included. In a new slide, I will explain it very differently. Root n into root n is included. When to use which concept? In the next slide, I will explain. Whatever logics that I am telling you, in one book, neatly in this order, explaining you what to use, where to use, when to use, how to use, you will not find it. Watch one video of mine of my YouTube live class. After watching, compare it with any other YouTube channels. Here there are problems and solutions. Here there are concepts and explanations. Here there are formulae based things. Here there are logic behind the formulae. Here they will tell you generic way of learning. Here I will tell you let's go the other way of learning. Here it is Macaulay education system. Here it is Finland education system. Here it is memory based explanation. Here it is knowledge, understanding and application based explanation. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, please write down, sir. This table is important. Then we will discuss some problems. Table. In an unordered pair. In an unordered pair. In an unordered pair. Just give me 1 minute, sir. In an unordered pair. In an unordered pair, there are 3 cases. Listen carefully, sir. There are 3 cases. I told 2 cases. In a non-perfect square. In a non-perfect square, it is number of factors divided by 2. In a perfect square, if root n into root n included, it is number of factors plus 1 by 2. In a perfect square, if root n into root n excluded, if I exclude it, it is number of factors minus 1 by 2. Please make a note of this. In an unordered pair, if it is a non-perfect square, it is a number of factors by 2. Right? Now, sir, when to use which concept? If distinct word is given, use this concept. If distinct word is not given, use this concept for a perfect square. If a distinct word is given, use this concept. Non-distinct word is given. If distinct word is not given, in bracket we will write. Only with examples we will understand. This looks like a theory, right? When to use unordered pair? If variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, I will use unordered pair. Variables are not present in the question, right? It is an unordered pair. Right? Now, examples. Please write down examples. 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 First one. In how many ways? In how many ways can 120 be written? In how many ways can 120 be written as a product of 2 factors? In how many ways can 120 be written? There is no difference. There is nothing like Prashant. Because perfect square will always give you odd number of factors. Perfect cube can give, odd number can give. Right? Suppose even number, it all depends. 2 power 3 will give you 4. 4 is an even number. 3 power 6 will give you 7. 7 is an odd number. So there is no particular pattern for a perfect cube. But anyways, very good question you have asked. In how many ways can 120 be written as a product of 2 factors? Variables are not present in a question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, it is an unordered pair. It is an unordered pair. In an unordered pair, the number which is given is 120. 120 is a non-perfect square. 120 is a non-perfect square. So what will be the answer? Answer is number of factors whole divided by 2. Number of factors whole divided by 2. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5. 8 into 15 is 120. So this is 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. Answer for the first question is right 8. 4 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. If the variables are not present in the question, if the variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. In an unordered pair and the number is a non-perfect square, answer is number of factors divided by 2. Number of factors divided by 2. Number of factors divided by 2. Divided by 2. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. There are 2 more examples. Now, I want to ask all the viewers. It will take another minimum 30 minutes to complete a topic. How many are willing to stay and listen more? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Rambabu. Just check it out. Please reply. Please reply. How many are willing to write? Continue for another half an hour. I want maximum number of students to reply. Right? Tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock also we got a class. From March 30, we are taking continuous classes. Mark my words, in another 15 to 30 days, if every day if I take 6 classes, you can see a tremendous improvement in the way that you look at aptitude. Right? Now, we will continue with 2 more. Write examples. This is a non-perfect square. Next one. In how many ways? In how many ways can 144 be written? In how many ways can 144 be written as a product of 2 distinct factors? 2 distinct factors. In how many ways can 144 be written as a product of 2 distinct factors? 2 distinct. That means you cannot write 144 as 12 into 12. 12 into 12 is not distinct. 12 into 12 is not distinct. In how many ways can 144 be written as a product of 2 distinct factors? Step number 1. Variables are not present in the question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, it is an unordered pair. It is an unordered pair. In an unordered pair, and that too 144 is a perfect square. Hints are there in the question. 144 is a perfect square. 144 is a perfect square. Right? Now answer is number of, we are confused whether to take distinct plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Distinct means number of factors minus 1 by 2. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. So this is nothing but 15 minus 1. 14. 14 by 2, 7. right? 5 into 3, 15, 15 minus 1, 14, 14 by 2, 7. Yes, Naveen, we are extending the class, right? 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. Now, next 6 to 7 problems. Listen very carefully. Extremely important problems. Please write down. Sum of factors, reciprocal of factors, multiples of k, not multiples of k, product of factors, multiples of k, product of factors, not multiples of k. 7 are over. Then we discussed ordered pair, unordered pair, perfect square, not perfect square. Key point 10. Key point 10. Key point 10. Find the number of integral solutions. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Neeta, it is 14 by 2, 7. Number of factors minus 1 by 2, Neeta. We got 2 power 4 into 3 square. Factors are 15. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Find the number of integral solutions for the following. Write down these questions. X plus y equivalent to xy. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to xy. 2xy minus 5x plus y equivalent to 55. D. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 3. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 12. G. 2 by x plus 3 by y equivalent to 1 by 6. H. 1 by m plus 4 by n, it is 1 by 12. N is an odd number less than 60. How many values n can take? Write down these 8 questions. X plus y equivalent to xy. Mark my words, sir. If you start listening to my classes, you will not feel like attending anybody's classes. You will not be able to tolerate any of the casual communication happening when the class is on. X plus y equivalent to xy. Write down these 8 problems. This only will take another 30 minutes time. Another 30 minutes time. Another 30 minutes time. X plus y equivalent to xy. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to xy. 2xy minus 5x plus y is 55. 1 by x plus 1 by y 1. 1 by x plus 1 by y 1 by 3. 1 by 12. H problems. Last problem is a CAT question. That is the reason I will start from the basics and I will end at the CAT question. Key point number 10. Key point number 10. One by one we will solve the problems. But before we solve the problems, let us write down some important key points. Execute that important key points. Please write down. Next one. Next one. Pranav, please ask, what is your question? Please ask, what is your question? Concept 1. Please write down. Concept 1. Concept 1. Right? Please ask, what is your question? Pranav. Ask what is your question. Now, concept 1, please write down. If the degree of the equation is 2, right? If the degree of the equation is 2, if the degree of the equation is 2, go and come now, please. Don't ask me any of these questions. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Please write down. Write the equation as a product of two factors. That's exactly the reason why we discussed product of two factors. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of two factors. Concept 1, I will explain one by one. Concept 2. Concept 2. If number of ways of writing an number of ways of writing a number as a product of two integers, as a product of two integers. Previously we did two factors. It is nothing but twice the number of factors. It is nothing but twice the number of factors. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two integers. It is nothing but twice the number of factors. Twice the number of factors. Twice the number of factors. Why it is twice? Example. Rambabu. Example. 12. 12 is, let me take a smaller number because the gap is less. If it is 6, 1 into pen, 1 into 6, 2 into 3. This can also be written as 6 into 1, 2, 3 into 2. Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, positive. Minus 1 into minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus 6 into minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 3. Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative is also positive. That is the reason, because it is integers. Previous question is two factors. It is not integers. It is two factors. All are positive. Now it is negative. So positive, positive, positive into positive, positive into positive, positive into positive is positive, negative into negative is also positive, positive into positive, positive, negative into negative, positive. Concept 2. One more concept is there, then we will solve all the 8 problems. Positive into positive, positive, negative into negative, positive. Concept 3. Concept 3. Concept 3. 1 minute, it came, I think. Concept 3. Please write down this concept 3. Concept 3. Extremely important concept. A by x. A by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c. If the question is of the form a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, where a, b, c are numerical values, where a, b, c are numerical values, this can be written it as x minus AC. I will tell you why am I writing like this. ABC square. It is not ABC whole square. It is A into B into C square. Please write down this point. A by X plus B by Y equivalent to 1 by C. If A, B, C are numerical values, this can be written as X minus AC, Y minus BC equivalent to A into B into C square. A into B into C square. Now we will do all that 8 problems. 8 problems. I will explain every concept through problems. Concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. Concept 1. Concept first problem. Listen carefully, sir. X plus Y equivalent to XY. X plus Y equivalent to XY. The degree of the equation is 2. Concept 1 says, if the degree is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. A into B equivalent to 2. So this is nothing but xy minus x minus y equivalent to 0. This is nothing but x into y minus 1. Y minus 1 should come once again. So adding 1 on both the sides. So x minus 1 into y minus 1 is 1. X minus 1 into y minus 1 is 1. This 1 can be written as product of 2 integers as minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1. Answer for this question is, there are 2 values x comma y will take. What are that values? X minus 1 is 1, x is 2, y is 2. Second case, x is 0, y is 0. Y is 0. Concept 1, if the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. If the degree of the equation is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. Xy minus x minus y is 0. X common, y minus 1, adding 1 on both sides. Degree of the equation is 2. I wrote the equation as a product of 2 factors. I wrote the equation as a product of 2 factors. So answer for the first question is 2. Answer for the first question is 2. Is it clear to you? Kindly reply in the live chat. Concept 1 usage. Is it clear to you? Concept 1 usage. Is it clear to you? Concept 1 usage. Kindly reply if it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? Every day the classes will happen at morning 7 a.m., evening 6 p.m. and night 9:30 p.m. till the lockdown date. Every day 3 classes will be there. Every day 3 classes will be there. Morning 7, evening 6 p.m., night 9:30. Night 9:30. I am not going to take any class from 9 to 4 because most of the engineering students have got their online classes at that time. First one, I hope it is clear. Now, clear, right? Next, second question. Please write down. Second one. 2xy minus 5x. 2xy minus 5x plus y equivalent to 55. 2xy minus 5x plus y equivalent to 55. Degree of this equation is 2. If the degree is 2, write the equation as a product of 2 factors. Entire idea is to decompose this number as a product of 2 factors. X into 2y minus 5. 2y minus 5 should come once again. So, but it is y. So, half. 55 minus 5 by 2. This is x plus 1 by 2 into 2y minus 5 equivalent to 105 by 2. 105 by 2. 2 is taken out. 2x plus 1 into 2y minus 5, which is nothing but 105. Listen carefully, sir, here. 105. 105 is 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. Just now I discussed a product of two integers. In how many ways can I write a number as a product of two integers? If I write it as product of two integers, it is 2 times the number of factors. 2 times the number of factors. 2 times the number of factors. 2 times the number of factors is 2 into 3 power 1, 2 cases, 2 cases, 2 cases. Answer is total 16. Answer is total 16. I hope the idea is clear. If the degree of the equation is 2, writing the number as a product of two integers. Writing the number as a product of two integers, it is nothing but the twice the number of factors. It is nothing but twice the number of factors. It is nothing but 2 times the number of factors. Number of factors for this number is 2, 2, 2. Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative is also positive. Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, positive. I hope the second one is clear, which is 16. Third question. Third one. Please take third one. What is the third question? X plus y. X plus y plus 99. I think that is the second question. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. X into y. X plus y plus 99 equivalent to x into y. So if I decompose xy minus x minus y is 99. If I add 1 on both the sides, xy minus x minus y plus 1 is nothing but 100. This is x into y minus 1. Here also y minus 1. It is nothing but 100. So this is x minus 1 into y minus 1 equivalent to 100. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Product of two integers is 2 times the number of factors. Number of factors for this question is 3 into 3 into 2. Answer for this question is 18. Answer for this question is 18. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 2, 18. None of my live classes, if the class is of 2 hours, 30 minutes I will make it public within 1 day for further watching. Full class you want to watch, you have to purchase the course which has a lot of all the YouTube live classes, right? I plan to take close to minimum 100 hours of YouTube live class in the next few weeks or few months. All these will be added to the students portal. So 2 into 3 into 3. When you purchase it only, you will find a value, right? I want you to understand the value that I am generating and everything. I am not a 20 or a 21-year-old kid who is more of a YouTuber and everything. I have Oxford and Stanford people to take care, right? So 2 into 3 into 3, which is 18. Third question. Fourth question. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1. This is nothing but x plus y equivalent to x into y. Here we got the answer 2 values. What are the 2 values we got? x2, y2, and next is x0, y0. x0, y0 is not possible. xy cannot be 0. So answer for this question is only one value. Answer for this question is only one value. Answer for this question is only one value. I hope it is clear. X plus y equivalent to xy. I got two values. What is the difference between previous question and this question? Previous question x and y can take 0. This question x and y cannot take 0. Cannot take 0. I hope it is clear. Fourth one. Fifth one. Fifth one. Please write down. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 3. Method 1. Method 1. How students will solve this method? They will take xy common. This is y plus x equivalent to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication. 3x plus 3y equivalent to xy. This becomes xy minus 3x minus 3y equivalent to 0. X if I take common, y minus 3. Again y minus 3 if I take common, this will become 9. X minus 3 into y minus 3 equivalent to 9. You don't need to write this entire equation. That is the reason I discussed that shortcut with you. If you know that shortcut, directly you will get this answer. What is that concept? A by x plus b by y is 1 by c. This is nothing but x minus ac, y minus bc. It is a into b into c square. This is the concept 3. If I do this concept 3, directly I will get this answer. X minus AC, 1 into 3, 3, x minus 3, y minus BC, y minus 3, a into b into c square. Direct equation without writing any of these steps. Without writing any of these steps. You don't need to write any of these steps. Entire time is saved. X minus AC into y minus BC equivalent to a into b into c square. A into b into c square. Directly we will get the answer. Rambabu, x minus 3 into y minus 3 is 9. So directly we will write the equation and we will solve it. This is direct method 2. This is direct method 1, method 2. Method 1 from, please write down. This is the most frequent question. 1 by x plus 1 by y equivalent to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This is nothing but x minus AC, x minus 3. This is y minus BC, a into b into c square. Now if you see, this is nothing but 2 into number of factors. 2 into 3, 6. We have to subtract one case. What is that case is? Minus 3 into minus 3. If I take x minus 3 minus 3, x value is 0. Y minus 3 is minus 3, y value is 0. X cannot be 0, y cannot be 0. So answer for this question is 5. Answer for this question is 5. Right? Yes, Cherry, this is how the questions are asked. How many values xy will take, satisfying this equation. This is the most frequently asked question. Highly repeated in XAT examination. Most repeated question in CAT repeated. Even in algebra, SSC also these questions are coming. Placement also x plus y equivalent to xy came. Answer is 5. Now all the questions are very easy. Now tell me the answer for this question. 1 by x plus 1 by y is 1 by 12. Directly you will get x minus ac, y minus bc equivalent to abc square. X minus 12 into y minus 12 is 2 square into 3 whole square. 2 power 4 into 3 square. Twice the number of factors. Minus 1. Why minus 1? There is a case where x and y both are zeros. That is minus 12 into minus 12. Minus 12 into minus 12. I hope directly how you can save a lot of time. Directly how you can save a lot of time. I hope right now you have understood this. Answer is twice the number of factors minus 1. Answer is 29. 2 by x plus 3 by y equivalent to 1 by 6. X minus ac, y minus bc equivalent to a into b into c square. X minus 12, y minus 18 equivalent to 6 cube. 2 cube into 3 cube. 4 into 4 into 2 minus 1. Answer is 31. Answer is 31. Directly, within 10 seconds you can solve a question which will take 2 minutes to solve. 2 minutes to solve.